Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel called Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some farmhouse inspired dining room decor ideas. Let's start the video. Farmhouse inspired dining room decor is a warm, inviting interior style that blends rustic charm with simple elegance, making your dining space feel cozy, lived-in, and welcoming. It draws inspiration from traditional countryside homes, especially American and European farmhouses, but can be easily adapted to modern homes. Key features of farmhouse dining room decor. First, natural materials. Wood is the heart of farmhouse style. Think solid dining tables, often with a distress or weathered finish, and wooden chairs or benches, linen or cotton table genres. Next, neutral and soft color palette. Farmhouse spaces usually use calming colors like white, cream, and beige, soft gray and shade green, muted pastels for a gentle touch. Rustic furniture. Large farmhouse-style dining table, often the centerpiece. Use mismatched or vintage-style chairs. Wooden benches for a casual, family-style feel. Use vintage and antique accents like old-style clocks, lanterns, or candle holders. Distressed frames or antique mirrors. Reclaimed wood shelves or cabinets. Next, cozy textiles like cotton or linen tablecloths, crochet or knitted placemats. Great if you like canvas decor, cushions on chairs for comfort. Statement lighting, rustic candeliers, wood or metal, pendant lights with an industrial or vintage touch, warm, soft lighting to create a cozy atmosphere. Next, nature-inspired decor. Fresh or jarred flowers in messengers, green plants or herbs, often baskets or wooden trays. Overall feel, farmhouse dining rooms are comfortable and relaxed, not overly formal, functional yet beautiful, full of character, often mixing old and new pieces. Imagine a wooden dining table with a soft linen genre, a vase of fresh flowers, mismatched chairs, and a rustic candlelight above, surrounded by light-colored walls, and a few vintage decoration. That is farmhouse charm in action. Different types of farmhouse dining room styles. Farmhouse decor has evolved, and you can choose a version that fits your taste. First, classic farmhouse. Use heavy wooden table, often distressed, and use vintage accessories and antiques, warm and active tones. Next, modern farmhouse. Use cleaner and brighter look, white walls and black accents, mix of rustic wood plus sleek metal lighting. Next, French country farmhouse. Use softer, elegant fashion, carved furniture, light pastel colors, floral patterns, and delicate decor. Next, rustic farmhouse. More raw and jagged, exposed wood and darker tones. Use stone or metal elements. Furniture details that matter. Dining table, main focus, large and sturdy, often rectangular. Use natural wood grain visible. Imperfections like scratches, knots, and churn. Chairs and setting, mix and match chairs for a relaxed feel. Wooden benches on outside, slip-covered chairs for a soft, cozy look. Storage spaces, buffets, hutches, or sideboards. Open shelving to display dishes or decor. Old style cabinets for a vintage vibe. Wall and background styling, walls, chipnut, wood paneling for a true farmhouse look. Neutral paint like white, cream, and soft gray. Accent wall with reclaimed wood. Wall decor, vintage frames or family photos. Use wooden sign or coat boards. Wreaths or hanging baskets. Table styling very important. A farmhouse dining table is never empty. It is styled simply but thoughtfully. Use linen table genre for neutral and soft stripes. Use messengers or ceramic vases. Use fresh flowers, jade lavender or greenery. Wooden trays or cutting boards. Candles for warmth. Keep it simple. Farmhouse style avoids clutter. Lighting and atmosphere. Lighting creates the mood. Wooden or metal candlelights. Use pendant lights with warm bulbs. Candlelight for a soft, cozy glow. Warm lighting equal cozy farmhouse feeling. Small details that make a big difference. Open baskets for storage or decor. Ceramic plates displayed on walls. Use vintage jugs, pitchers, or teapots. Handcrafted items like crochet pieces. Seasonal touches. Farmhouse decor looks even better when it changes with seasons. Spring, use fresh flowers and pastel tones. For summer, use light fabrics and greenery. Fall, pumpkins, warm colors and dried leaves. For winter, use candles, pine branches and cozy pictures. Balance is key. Uncommon mistake is going too heavy on rustic items. A good farmhouse dining room balances. Rough, wood, metal, wood. Soft, fabrics, light colors and flowers. A farmhouse dining room should look full, a place where family gathers, comfortable enough for everyday meals, beautiful without trying too hard. It is not about perfection, it is about warmth, simplicity, and character. The philosophy behind farmhouse dining style at its core. Farmhouse decor is about function plus comfort plus history. It celebrates imperfection, like grasses, own paint, and is wood. It values useful beauty, everything has a purpose. It creates a gathering space where people naturally feel at ease. That is why farmhouse dining rooms often feel more lived in than formal dining spaces. Layering textures. That is how it makes it look great. A beautiful farmhouse dining room always mixes texture. Without this, it can look flat. Try combining rough wood, table or shelves. Soft fabric. Use linen genre or curtains. Oven elements, baskets or placemats. Smooth ceramic, plates and vases. Metal accents, light fixtures and handles. The contrast between rough and soft. The soft creates that cozy charm. Focal point styling. Every farmhouse dining room needs a clear focal point. Choose one. Option 1. Statement table. Thick oak table with a simple centerpiece. Option 2. Light fixture. Rustic candlelight or pendant as the main attraction. Option 3. Accent wall. Chipnut or reclaimed oak wall behind the table. Keep other elements subtle so the focal point stands out. Styling shelves and sideboard like a pro. In a state of cluttering, farmhouse style uses intentional grouping. Use the rule of three. A tall item. Use vase or jug. Next, a medium item. Frame or candle. Next, A small item, plant or decorative object, makes old plus new, tall plus short, light plus dark. Leave some empty space. This is very important for that calm farmhouse look. Color layering technique. Don't just use plain white, layer shades, beige, white or cream walls, mid-tones, wood browns and beige textiles, accent, black, shush green and dusty blue. This creates depth without making the room feel busy. Windows and curtains. Farmhouse dining rooms love natural light. Best choices: light cotton or linen curtains, soft, flowy, slightly sheer fabrics, neutral or subtle patterns like stripes or tiny florals. Avoid heavy dark curtains. They block the airy farmhouse feel. Handmade and personal touches. This is where your style can really shine. Use crochet table journals or placemats, handmade cushions, DIY centerpieces, family heirlooms or vintage finds. Farmhouse decor feels special when it is personal, not store perfect. Common mistakes to avoid: over decorating too many items, equal messy, not cozy. Two matchy farmhouse styles should feel collected over time. Ignoring comfort chairs should be soft or cushioned, not just pretty. Using only rustic elements and soft fabrics and light colors to balance. Creating the lived-in look. To make your dining room feel natural, leave a book or tray on the table. Use real dishes instead of only decorative ones. Add fresh flowers or seasonal items regularly. It should feel like people actually eat and gather there, not just a display. A perfect farmhouse dining room is not about buying expensive decor. It is about mixing old and new, keeping things simple, and adding warmth through textures and personal touches. Layout and space planning, often overlooked. A farmhouse dining table should feel open and easy to move around. Leave enough space, at least 3 feet, around the table for walking. Keep the layout simple, don't overcrowd with furniture. Center the table under the light fixture for balance. Farmhouse style values breathing space, not tight arrangements. Mixing old and new. The signature look. One of the secrets of farmhouse decor is contrast. Pair a rustic wooden table with modern chairs. Use a vintage table with clean, simple wall colors. Combine antique decor with minimal accessories. This mix prevents the room looking too heavy or outdated. Wood tones and finishes. Very important detail. Not all wood should match, and that is a good thing. Mix light, medium, and dark wood tones. Use distress or matte finishes instead of shiny polish. Reclaim touch slightly on wood adds authenticity. Perfect matching equal looks artificial. Slight variation equal looks real and lived in. Functional decor, beauty plus purpose. Farmhouse design avoids useless decoration. Almost everything should have a role. Wooden trays for serving or styling, baskets, storage plus decor, pictures, water jug plus centerpiece, open shelves, store and display dishes. If it looks good and works, it is perfect farmhouse style. Natural elements that bring life. Nature is a key part of farmhouse charm. Use fresh flowers, simple and seasonal. Use dried stems like white pampas grass or lavender. Indoor plants like small herbs and leafy greens. Even all natural elements can transform the whole space. Patterns and prints, subtle but powerful. Farmhouse style uses patterns carefully. Stripes, very common in table genres or curtains. Small florals for a soft vintage feel. Chicks or gingham for classic country look. Keep patterns soft and not too bold. Creating a story. What makes it special? A great farmhouse dining room tells a story. A vintage clock that looks inherited. Old style dishes displayed on shelves. Handmade or collected items from different times. It should feel like the room evolved over years, not bought in one day. Stories with style. Farmhouse dining rooms often include visible stories, like open wooden shelves, glass front cabinets, sideboards with basket underneath, style items with stacked plates, neutral bowls, and glass jars. Keep it neat but not too perfect. Day to night transformation. A well designed farmhouse dining room feels good both day and night. Daytime, bright, airy, and fresh. Use natural light plus light fabrics. Next night, warm, cozy, and intimate. Use soft lighting plus candles. This tall feeling is a hallmark of great farmhouse design. A farmhouse-inspired dining room is not about copying a trend. It is about creating a space that feels warm, welcoming, effortlessly beautiful, comfortable for everyday life. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.